Up, guys? What the heck is? Oh, this is a skyblock. So I'm here. Wait. Yeah, I'm here. To play some skyblock because why not? So skyblock is pretty fun, guys. So it's right here. No, I'm not deleting this. Oh, so I can switch to creative survival? I'm not gonna do that, guys. Yes! So I promise today I'm gonna, no, I'm not gonna lose my crafting table. It's here right next to it. So I'm gonna put it here. Wait. Whoa, when did they give me string? Oh my god, I can make a bed. I'm not gonna go to another portal now. I see why they gave me it. Yes, I grew a little bit. I'm not gonna make sugar yet. Actually, yo, stop. I'm actually gonna grow this. Do I need to make more fences? So today, let me make some 3 wool. I don't care about bow. I need to sleep. That's more important. I need to set my spawner. I'm gonna make 1 fence. I can make more sticks. More wood. More fence. Why am I getting so, glitched out? Wait, guys. Give me a second. Okay, that's it. Oh, got 3 saplings. Nah, today. Stop glitching out. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make it safer a little. Oh, if you guys think I made 2x, no. If you guys think I made 2x, I actually didn't. That's the... Damn, this is so deep. I can make an underground house because... Oh yeah, I moved it here. Wait. Don't I have everything? I got to get this. I don't want to charge my tablet. Charge it later. So what should I do? What should I do? So I got to do a lot of things. You know what? You know what? I don't actually care. It doesn't matter about how pretty it looks. It actually pretty does. So this is what I'm gonna do. So this video doesn't be boring. I'm gonna do, you know. So I'm gonna change this with cobblestone. Actually, can I make smooth stone? So guys, let me, you know, some of this. Burn. So what to say? Am I burning? Okay, so I'm gonna get it to 20. Check if one of the trees go. This is packed ice. Man, I'm getting 24. Then what do guys? Okay, so shit. The furnace. I got it. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Wait. I'm gonna have to take. Wait. Stop glitching out or something. Oh no. No, no, no. See, now it's gonna take even longer to grow the carrots. Wow. Now the potatoes are gonna be bigger than the carrots. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Get the furnace. I'm gonna make everything pretty. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put in that much. I do need the fence. Wait. No, I put one of my saplings. Let's add a little bit of that. Actually, no, I take it all. I don't really care. But I needed a sapling. No! Oh my god, I can't believe I got that. I need to make this whole land. I'm gonna lose a lot of dirt. I got to take this down. Oh my god. But guys, this is what I'm thinking. But I got to think again. I got water here. I want to make an infinite water source. I need buckets. Let's at least try, right? Oh my god. Having a bad day today, right? But I do have a lot of dirt though. I don't really care because have you guys seen the bottom of this? Damn. I need a bucket because lights. Got to make sure. I'm gonna just go to the nether now. Wait. I don't have buckets. But I'm gonna just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I forgot to do another portal. I'm gonna just add one more. 5. Uh-oh. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made a mistake. Oh god. 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 No, I'm never gonna get cobblestone. Now I'm never gonna go. Damn, I messed up now. That's it. It's over for me. I'm gonna have to restart the whole thing again. Get to make sure you. Oh god. Oh my god. If we're gonna restart the whole thing again, let's die. Wee. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna download a new Skyblock map because this is the same one. Look, I got proof. I'm gonna download another Skyblock black. Look, I got proof. Where's Google Play? So if you guys see my tablet doesn't have a lot of charge, not surprised. But you see my tablet, it doesn't, you know. Oh yeah, I don't remember. I think you guys know this people. I think you do, but I'm not sure. Do you guys know Squishy and Stacy? Yes, this is the normal one. So Squishy and Stacy, you know what they did? You know this game Survival on the Chest? Squishy and Stacy, they played Survival in a Cake. I'm not even gonna try to download, but this is the end of this video, guys. I'm gonna make another one later, so see you later, alligator. See, stop being a hater. Tater. My name is Xavier. Yeah.